Today our topic is clinical evaluation of medical device. This is our third module. Before going into the this part, let's go with the some short forms abbreviation we used in clinical evaluation. AIMDD, Active Implantable Medical Device Directive. CER, when you come across this word CER, because in industry when you are going with the documents, you come across very most of the time these abbreviated form. So it's better to know these forms. CR, Clinical Evaluation Assessment Report. There's two on the KIR and CR, Clinical Evaluation Report. One is assessment report, another is evaluation report. Assessment report is used at the time of audit, and CR is the technical documentation file. ER, Essential Requirement, IFU, Instruction for Use, MDD, Medical Device Directive, PMS, Post-Market Surveillance, and PMCF, Post-Market Clinical Follow-up. Is my voice audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. If you have any problem in voice or presentation, let me know. Otherwise, I'll go with the slides because I have to cover lots of slides in today's class. So, uh, where general principle regarding clinical evaluation, we divided this two part. This in two part. First, what and when, why. What, क्यों, कैसे, how we can do. Methodological sound, it will be a completely methodological sound, means easy and there is no any error. Second part is collection, appraisal, analysis of data. We collect, appraise, and analyze the data. After that analysis of data, we decide benefit and risk. And last one is CR. C is a part of technical documentation, the most important part of the technical documentation. And what it contains: conformity of the essential requirements, ER. Those essential requirement conformity is included in CR. Intended purpose, clinical performance, measure of risk avoidance, usability, stability of IFU. When we decide benefit and risk, then we have to mention ways through which we can avoid those risks, and those are included in CR. In the last class, I had already given you one ISO number for usability. That usability comes under the CR. Again, when and why. When we do this clinical evaluation, mandatory for initial CE marking. When you are going for the CE certification, this is important. For class 3, from class 2B to last class, it is mandatory. Initial CE marking, what we need: define safety and performance need. Why it is required during CE marking? To define safety and performance need. Equivalence to which device? Those devices which are in the market. Set equivalence standard with those devices. This is required. Gap analysis. Gap analysis means uh, in the devices which are in the market and the device which you developed, if there is any gap in technology or gap in the safety, we analyze that and try to cover that. For that also, she is important. Gap analysis is also like, I am using ISO 13485, suppose 2012. Now the standard is 2016. So what is the gap between that standard and the current standard? That is also done in the gap analysis. Again, post-market surveillance. When you do post-market surveillance, then also clinical evaluation is required. Why? To confirm essential requirement, identify need of post-market clinical follow-up studies, PMCS, post-market clinical follow-up studies. Active update through the device life cycle. Device life cycle means till the date to which device is used is device life cycle. Again, suitably qualified individual or team. Who should do this clinical evaluation? Suitably qualified individual or team. A single individual can also do, a team can also do. And under which department it's come? It is a combined operations or combinedly done by regulatory and quality department. Manufacturer should justify the choice of evaluator. There is two parts. One is who prepared this document. Another one is who can review this document. And reviewer is a evaluator. You can say a reviewer, or a clinical clinical file evaluator. And who can decide, who can evaluate any document? Manufacturer can decide. Yeah. Suitable qualified individual or team. Manufacturer should justify the choice of evaluator. A document qualification experience, research methodology, information management, regulatory requirement, medical writing, device technology, clinical expertise, a relevant degree, plus 5 year experience or 10-year experience. These are required to be a clinical file evaluator or to be in the clinical evaluation team.